according to your knowledge of two men who love with equal loyalty? Which one should reasonably be more joyful? The one who is laying one night with his lady and had everything he ever wanted from her, and then goes home. Or the other one who is going there, expecting to get what comes from lying down. Well, and Gita still, it would not be reasonable for me to answer such a question like that, because I understand neither coming nor going, but I am more desirous of the going, because I know nothing of the man who goes there, whether he'll have joy if he doesn't get it then, nor of the other one, how he could have joy when he parts from what pleases him most. Signorina, such a parting is good, from which a man gets worth and honor and joy, and through which he knows he's loved loyally. But in the going a man fails many times, because jealousy often sends him away, or slanderers or bad luck on the road. So I value more the good I've already had than what I don't know if I'll ever have. By God and He, the man who goes there should be made joyful by good intentions, but he's so afraid he'll find only fear there. So his joy is not as complete, because the man who has joy of his love making, if he wants more than he has without fail, greater suffering